The DGIVOVO Electric Pressure Washer boasts an exceptional pressure power of 4,000 pounds per square inch, driven by a robust 1,500-watt motor, providing efficient and effective cleaning for both residential and commercial tasks. The pressure washer comes equipped with a 450 milliliter foam cannon and 4 different nozzles, providing a range of cleaning options tailored to specific needs and enhancing cleaning efficiency with the application of detergents. Designed with user convenience in mind, the DGIVOVO pressure washer has a combined reach of 55 feet through its 35 feet power cord and 20 feet high-pressure pipe, allowing for freedom of movement and easy cleaning of large areas. For ease of navigation and portability, the pressure washer includes wheels and a comfortable sponge handle, minimizing user fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The machine's Total Stop System feature improves user experience by automatically shutting off when the trigger is disengaged and turning on when the wrench is pressed, thereby increasing the life of the motor. With a high review score of 4.4 and over 152 reviews, the DGIVOVO Electric Pressure Washer is a well-reviewed and trusted cleaning tool in the market.